Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to convert a Microsoft Word document to a PDF. So let's dive right in. The first method is the easiest way if you already have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Start by opening the Word document you want to convert. Then navigate to the File menu and select Save As. Select the desired location on your computer where you want to save the file and give the file a new name. In the Save as Type drop-down menu, select PDF. Then hit the Save button to save the file as a PDF. Next, you can use this second method if you don't have access to the Microsoft Word software on your computer. To save a document in PDF, you can use Office Online. Head over to office.com and sign in with your account. If you don't have an Office account, follow the instructions to create a free account. Once signed in, you have access to the Office Online programs, including Word. From here, you can either create a new Word document or upload an existing Word document if you have one. After uploading your document, go to File, click on Save As, and then select Download as PDF. The PDF file will be downloaded to your computer. The last method is to use free online converter tools. One example is the Small PDF Word to PDF Converter. Go to the Small PDF Word to PDF Converter website and follow the instructions on the website to upload your Word file. The converter will then process your file and convert it to a PDF. Once the conversion is complete, download the PDF to your computer. And there you have it. You now know 3 different ways of converting a Word file to a PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.